Hello, my name is Chris Murphy and I will be teaching you Earth Science 111 for the summer of 2021. What I'm going to do today is do a basic introduction to the course. The first thing you need to do is basically have a look at the syllabus. It is your contract of what we will be doing, what is expected of me and what is expected of you. There's two ways to find the syllabus. You can either click along the side on the left where it says syllabus, or you can open up under week 1, the first module, Earth Science syllabus. So if you click on this, it will download and open the course syllabus. So my name, like I said, is Chris Murphy. There's a little bit of background information relating to me. There's my office hours, and I'm online every day, Monday to Thursday from 10 to 11 on Canvas Chat, which you can get at the side. Okay, so if you click on this, I will be waiting to answer any questions you have or concerns relating to the course. Also in the syllabus, it's a bit of background information. I taught for 10 years prior to coming to the Community College of Philadelphia in London, and I've been teaching at CCP full-time since 2002, and I teach many courses including geography, many geography courses, and the environmental conservation course. There is a course description, just giving you an overview of what the course is about, and we will be looking at many of the serious environmental issues that are facing us today, looking at some of the causes of those issues, also looking at possible solutions to those issues. Okay, and if you just read through this, it just gives you that background. The objectives of the course. What is your hope to gain by the end of this course? If you just go through, it'll give you an overview of this, sort of like demonstrate an understanding of the nature of the environment, some of the various components, flows and cycles, the relationships, how we affect it, things like this. So you can read through this at your leisure. Okay? Attendance is required. I'll be monitoring your online attendance, basically through your activities, your participation, and the submission of work. So make sure you submit your work, because this is one way that I will be recording attendance. With regards to readings, I put up lots of notes as we go through the course, and those notes will relate to various discussion questions and also will help you in your tests and the report that you're expected to do. So please read the notes if I put them up, and also watch the videos because they will help to decipher the notes. Participation, contribute to every class discussion. This is important if you want to come out with a good grade at the end. And it also gives you an insight into how people view certain environmental problems and certain aspects of their lives. Okay? There is an optional text. Okay? You can get a text if you feel that you require a text. However, my notes are usually good, plus there is enough information online where you can read around the topics. You will be doing a report, and the report is a major component of this course. So please do not plagiarize. Okay? See, one of the easiest ways to fail this course is to plagiarize your report. Cite your work. Okay, and there's some information about citing your work. Also, what I would say, the assessment for this course there's one major report which you're given a large amount of time, even though it's a condensed course, to do. There is 14 discussion questions. They're very small questions, and also some basic information assessments. You do get 4 tests. Those tests are relatively straightforward, and they're to make sure that you understand the topics and have read the notes. There's not going to be any surprises in those tests. Work submission. Because it is such an accelerated course, I need you to submit your work on time. The report itself, if you do not submit the report by the due date, you will have 1 week to do it after that date at the loss of 10% of the grade. Okay? So, how my course is graded. The course is graded by, basically you have 1 report question, okay? And that's worth 200 points. So it's significant. There's 4 tests, 50 points each, just to see that you've achieved and understood various topics. There's a final exam, which is 50 points. And then there's these smaller discussion questions, and they are 10 points each. It seems like a lot, but you'll get through it. Don't worry. Okay, grading scale. 90% of the 600 points available will get you an A. 80% a B, 70% a C, and 60% a D. Okay? Tests are to be done at the allocated time. You usually have a block of time of like 3 or 4 days to do those tests. So you only have 1 shot at it. So let me know if you have problems about doing them in those specific times. There's a section on college closing, cancellations, and things like this. Okay? Also, early alert to work out if you have any problems and whether you're failing in the class. I will let you know how you can achieve a passing grade in this class. So we're just watching out for you. And there's many sort of areas of student support, and I've given you in my syllabus many things to look at your leisure. So as you go down through the syllabus, if you look at all these different things, it gives you sort of areas like student support in different aspects. Okay? And then if you keep going down the syllabus, what you will eventually get to is the course calendar. This is what we will be doing, okay? And this is what each topic area covers. So we've got things like humans and sustainability, okay? Population resources, the urban environment, air and air pollution. They all start to link. We look at the urban area, then we look at air pollution. And a form of air pollution is global warming, and also another form is ozone depletion. We will look at water and water pollution. We'll look at waste. We'll look at food, okay? Energy, mineral resources, and finally, sustainability and biodiversity and our ecological impact and ecological integrity. So, there is also below this what's termed the course summary, which gives you an idea of what is expected each week. It is, as I said, a summer class, so it is more accelerated. Usually in my 14-week class, you will have more time to do these discussions. However, because it is 7 weeks, you will only be doing 1 report, not 2. Okay? So read this at your leisure. Be aware of the different dates. So, if you have any concerns what you need to do in my class. If you have any concerns, what you can do is go back to modules, and where it says basically general concerns, read what it says, ask a question. I will look at this on a daily basis, and if you post a question or concern or an idea, I will reply to it. Okay, so if we go back to modules again, so there's this introductory video. Okay, you also have the syllabus, and then there's a number of different initial assignments, which I will explain in the next video. So, as I said, there is also the section Introduction to the 7 weeks. Okay. And this is just a hello and welcome to the Earth Science class and things to do. Okay, just make sure you read this and you understand what's expected each week. Okay, in the 7 weeks. Go back to modules again. If you go back to modules again, what you can also see is what to expect. What you are to expect to do each week during this course is look at each week's online. Under each week, there is a combination of notes, videos, and resources. I expect you to look through these each week. Anything you do not understand relating to these notes, please contact me to discuss it. Okay? And in addition, each week there are assignments I'd like you to complete. This could be a discussion question, a test, or to work on the report. If you have any general concerns, please don't hesitate to contact me via Canvas chat. Or if you want a one-on-one meeting, contact me so I can set up a Zoom meeting with you. Okay? So, this is basically the overview. You've got this video, an introduction, the syllabus, and this course protocol and netiquette I will get to in the next video. This is basically just a contract. I want you to read this. It's all about being pleasant to people online, what's expected of you, what's expected of me online. Okay, what's appropriate online. Okay, so read this. Avoid things like avoiding plagiarism, where you can get tutoring, how I'm available. Okay, and all I can say is I hope you will get out of this what you thought the course was about. So thank you and welcome.